Friends, this is Jay Sushar More from Resume Academy. Today I would like to share with you tips on how to improve English. We at Resume Academy run these following activities: interview training, spoken English training, free for poors from any caste community and at affordable charges for others. We also do the activities of private job placements, IT software development and testing courses. For this too, students don't have to give fees initially from their job. For with the first 2 months of salary, they can give us fees. This is my visiting card. I had completed my BSc, MSW, DLL, DPM, DVM, MA English, MPM. I had worked with television channels as an HR manager with some other organizations in Mumbai, Pune, Ahmednagar, Hyderabad. So let's begin with our topic, how to improve English. Friends, today it's a need of the day. It's need of the hour that we have to improve our English. No doubt, we are having good command over our languages, but since it's a universal language, you have to adapt with the present scenario to get more better opportunities. Whether we are from industry background or whether we are from government background, whether we are running business sector, we are into business or we are working as an employee, in every segment of our life, we need English. We have to have a command over English in both aspects, written and verbal as well. So these are the tips wherein I am sure enough that if you practice it regularly, which we had practiced, which we had developed by our own, that is my friends, relatives and mine, English got improved because of these 5 basic tips. Sitting at home, we can practice it instead of spending money with some other spoken English institutes, putting a big amount, and many times we feel disappointed that money haven't got utilized. Practice, exercise these tips, and then if at all required, then join those spoken English classes. I personally believe that if you follow these tips, you don't need to go and pay the amount to develop your English. So the first point, what I would be discussing is read newspaper, magazines, periodicals, books in English. Read firstly English newspaper instead of reading mother tongue newspaper. When you start our day, we normally go with our cup of tea along with the newspaper. When we go for reading newspaper, keep aside mother tongue newspaper and take English newspaper. Read story books, read magazines, and when we read what you like. Many times of non-interest topic doesn't attract us, we stop reading it. Instead of that, read what you like and read loudly, as like children do, school students do. They read loudly when they study. So as like that, read those newspapers, magazines, books loudly, so that would be improving your confidence, your pronunciation. Find meanings of the words and learn it. Many times you will find some difficult words. Take those words, find meaning from the dictionaries. Read books of 1st to 4th, 7th standard or any other books to improve grammar. These basic books will help you to improve your sentence framings, your grammar, would be increasing your vocabulary. Keep pocket dictionary and learn at least 15 new words in a week. This is the best way to increase the vocabulary. At least in a week, read and learn 15 new words and try to use those 15 new words in your day-to-day happenings, day-to-day discussions. Second tip would be speak in English. Speak in English with relatives and friends at least 1 hour in a day. This will help you to boost your confidence. No doubt, it will happen that you may get laughed, people will laugh at you. This will happen at the initial stage. Certainly, surely this will happen. Let it happen. This phase you have to go through, and when you speak day by day, you get habituated, and that all these laughs, fear gets aside. You get out of that phobia. Speak with your friends at least an hour in a day or relatives. More importantly, stand in front of mirror. When you stand in front of mirror, keep a big size mirror and stand. Speak with you yourself in mirror as like Amitabh Bachchan did in the movie. I believe Diwar. He spoke to himself, क्या रे कितना मार खाया है. Accordingly, speak to yourself in English. This will help to know what is your body language while you would be speaking in English. How you behave, what is your body gesture. More importantly, that will help when you speak eye to eye with you only, will gain a good amount of confidence. Third point, write in English. Write every day your day-to-day happenings in your diary. Many scholars, many achievers had this good habit of writing their own diaries with their day-to-day activities. So begin this good activity, add to it, add a glory into it, write in English. Try to write in English. Many mistakes would be there at the initial stage. Let it be, but try to develop this activity. This will improve your writing skills. Use social networking apps such as Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. We often use this Facebook, WhatsApp every day. We are habituated and we are fond of it. Few of us are addicted of it. Use this tool for a positive aspect as well, including improving your English. For example, make an English group of WhatsApp or Facebook. Ensure that whatever the posts are there, whether sending or receiving, should be in English, either video or in text format. This will help to improve your English. Write something, write some contents, say with today's political scenario or sports, whatever it is, in English. This will help you to develop your English writing skills. More importantly, fourth point, try to think in English. What is the problem with us? That we don't accept English as an our language. Still we think that ये तो अंग्रेजों की लैंग्वेज है, मैं क्यों सीखूं इसको. इससे हम शायद कई बार पीछे जाते हैं. We lose our good opportunities in any sector, in many sectors, because of lacunas in English. We don't have good communication in English. Think that English is my language. Think that since it's an universal language, I belong to universe, my nation belongs to universe, and I have to develop this universal language. I have to adapt it to get butter on my bread. Bread is already there, but I would like to get butter on my bread. For that butter purpose, I have to improvise myself. Try to think. As like, if you think, after this program, मैं अभी चाय पीने जाऊंगा, चाय पीने के बाद वो दोस्त से मिलूंगा, फिर घर पे जाऊंगा. Try to think inside and say, after finishing this program, I will have a good cup of tea. Later on, I will meet my friend, and then I will go to my home. This activity will certainly help you to make that English of you yourself. You will find that English is your own language. At least 15 minutes in a day. Please make this practice. Lastly, watch English TV news serials and videos. instead of watching Hindi news, Hindi serials, at least for few hours in a day, watch TV news in English, watch TV serials in English, small programs, small clips on YouTube, other apps in English. Instead of watching a big movies on YouTube or other apps, go for 5 to 10 minutes clips. Listen it, see it repeatedly. As a result of which, these new words would be there with you. As a result of which, these new words would be turning into an vocabulary for you, and that would be stored in your brain. That would be helpful for you to improve your English. So, I had finished my basic 5 tips. I am sure if you use it, you will improve your English quite well, effectively, strongly. Thank you.